Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knives.
In today's video, we'll be making 3 mushrooms dimsum. So you will need shiitake mushrooms, king oyster mushroom, garlic and green chilies, needle mushrooms, soy sauce, tofu, crushed pepper and vinegar. Moving on, let's prepare the dough. Begin with making a firm dough to make dim sum wrappers using a wheat flour or refined wheat flour. Let's prepare the filling. Dim sums taste best when the vegetables are finely chopped. Hence, follow the video as shown. Moving on, let's saute the vegetables. Heat the pan, add some oil, and once it is hot enough, add all the chopped mushrooms together and saute them. Once they are cooked, add soy sauce, black pepper powder and mix it well. Then add vinegar. Let it cook for about 1 minute, then keep it aside. The next step is adding tofu. Firstly, once mushrooms have cooled down, add chili and garlic. Use a firm tofu and press it well before using it to drain the extra water and crumble them with hands as shown. Mix everything thoroughly and the filling is ready. Step 5. Making the wrapper. Roll the dough and divide them into equal pieces as shown. And coat them with flour. And make a ball out of them. Roll the ball and make it round and flat, almost about a palm size. And stuff it with filling. Make sure you don't overfill it. And then bind it well as shown. Final step, steaming or pan frying the dim sum. Heat the water and once it reaches the boiling point, place the steamer and coat it with oil. Then steam the dim sums for about 8 to 10 minutes on a high flame. You can also pan fry them by adding about 1 tablespoon of oil, let it heat and then add the dim sums. Add about half a cup of water and cover them with a lid until cooked completely. And that's about it. Your 3 mushroom dim sums are all ready to be eaten. You can eat them with sriracha sauce or Szechuan sauce as you like. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Pans and Knives.